Axeman remains a mystery until he picks on the wrong vehicle. Motion sensor camera. Go green or go home. This guy's probably the worst eco-terrorist ever. There are better ways to be an environmentalist than going around slashing X's on cars. Recycle. There you go. He's like an Al Gore vigilante. You go to his house, he's got pictures of gore everywhere. How's this for inconvenient truth? This one's for you, one's over there.
I mean, this man should be at home with his grandchildren, watching the game, you know, making cookies, I don't know, doing something.
Oops, a slip of my key. Underpaid job. Police analyze the damaged Hummer's surveillance footage and soon identify the green meaning. He's charged with criminal mischief and faces a fine of up to $20,000. That's it.
Oh, outside?
And you got caught.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. One order at a time. A crime spree plagues the town of Leeds, England. Property's been destroyed. Speed limits broken. Breaking the speed limit. Gasoline pilfered. And illegal fireworks set off. Thankfully, authorities have a lead on the guilty party. This guy is videotaping himself without bothering to cover his face, which is generally not the way crime works. Dude, you know what I like to do anytime I do anything even mildly? I like to get a camera, do a real tight close-up, like a Blair Witch Project. Oh yeah, I just jaywalked. I'm so scared. Then I like to list my address, my phone number, and what I'm really looking for. Look at me doing some doughboys. Having made the mistake of committing the crimes to tape, the fame-seeking felon then decides to do something even dumber. Broadcast it to millions via YouTube. What sense is it? Committing a crime if you can't share it with everybody? I'm gonna be smart, show off my crimes, and I'll get a development deal. Hollywood never calls, but the authorities do. We now took these videos and placed them on YouTube, and we simply used that evidence. And in the end, in court, he admitted. The lad is found guilty and sentenced to community service. He gave the Leeds Police the Leeds Police to be the leader of the Leeds Police Department in the meeting. I know it's not funny, but it's safe for the story. While some people enjoy admitting their crimes on camera, others do so unwittingly. Authorities suspect a home health care worker of stealing from her patients. So an undercover agent wires with a hidden camera befriends the suspect and videotapes her at home, bragging about her crimes.
Stolen yesterday, stolen.
This one was stolen, absconded.
I stole this from pennies, this from pennies.
She stole from her elderly patient's wardrobe. So, she's a thief and stylish. Nothing's more impressive than a stolen movement.
Hey, nurse, after done stealing, could you fix my catheter?
And clothes aren't the only thing this nurse has been swiping.
Not my chronic situation. Is that enough drugs at all? I need to save some for me.
Oh, you need more drugs? Now you need, because I'm police for myself.
Are you serious?
Wow. Hospital and they had a card up on me, and I just took the card.
Medications. Nurse naughty.
This woman is a complete bitch. Chronic situation. Is that enough drugs at all?
Look at that picture of Tim McGraw. She needs to have that picture taken down. He would not agree with Miss Stolen America.
I wasn't a poster, I'd kick your ass.
Tim McGraw would look at her and probably spit on her.
Hey, girl. With ample evidence on tape, the nurse is arrested and arraigned.
I'm very, very sorry for what I did, and I'm looking towards recovery.
She's sentenced to 4 months in prison.
You know they were able to catch you because you're the only woman your age walking down the street in a polyester pantsuit that smells like Sheena Tay and disappointment.
Police in Iowa arrest a driver after he fails a sobriety test. They place him in the back of the patrol car. He tries to negotiate. Can I get a Coke and chips in it?
You proposition someone for sex, for drugs, bribery, cash. You don't offer a wheat honey bun with barbecue teriyaki chicken.
I've been here all the time. Bribe rejected, the drunk driver offers up something much less appetizing.
Here's your sandwich. Would you like a soup?
If this kind of work for the donut shop, free man. Coming up, a stalker in a rowboat who refuses to give up. Oh, bad idea. Just puppy. And getting caught by police the hard way. Damn it! Yeah! Continues.
My car hurt. My car more. Mine start turning faster. Neosporin Plus Pain Relief starts relieving pain faster and kills more types of infectious bacteria. Neosporin Plus Pain Relief for a $2 coupon. Visit Neosporin.
What are you even doing?
That's our quarterly wrap-up. Any thoughts?
Wow.
Outstanding. Topic charge.
No.
We off.
Except
And flavored your day with Dunkin's new breakfast burritos. Fire roasted veggies and delicious steak. Try one today. America runs on Dunkin'.
I don't think it can even see you. Ooh. Right. Okay. That was not good. Oh. Yeah. Ew. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop now.